Hello and welcome to yet another live broadcast by Chef Buddy. I am Kritika Vij from Chef Buddy's marketing team. Today, instead of Smart Chef success stories, we decided to do a demo of our recently added feature to the app, that's the Smart Stores. But before I proceed or before I go ahead with that, please let me know if you can hear me. You can click on the like and the love buttons on your screens to let me know that. Now, most of you would know that about 2.5 months back, we launched Chef Buddy, which is a free app for home chefs, bakers, and food businesses all across India. Smart Stores is a very recent addition that we've made to the Chef Buddy app. Like the app, a smart store is also free to create. Give me a moment before I get into the details. So, before I get into what Smart Stores is or show you how you can make your own smart store, I would just like to let you know that if you have any questions during this live, during this demo, please put them down in the comments below and we'll try and take them towards the end of the session. Well, moving on to what a smart store is. Before we show you what an actual smart store looks like to your customers, let me briefly explain. So Smart Store is your personal store, personal online store for your food business. You can share it with your customers. You can share the link to your Smart Store with your customers. They can click on this link and view the details of your business, whatever you've entered there. Yeah, they can also view your menu along with the pictures of each dish if you've already uploaded that there. The best thing is that they can even place orders by clicking on that link by just directly from your store. In fact, once you get their orders, it's very easy to save them to the Chef Buddy app because these orders come on chat as a WhatsApp message. Now, before I proceed and show you what it looks like, I would just like to mention a very important thing here. Smart Stores is a great feature for chefs and bakers who have a fixed menu, a menu that doesn't change daily. Let's say you're selling breads or cakes or pickles, chutneys, jams, something that the menu doesn't change frequently. For all of you, Smart Stores is a great feature. But if you have a daily changing menu, Chef Buddy app offers smart menus, which you can use. In case you have a daily changing menu, let us know in the comments below. We had previously done a demo on smart menus also, which will be helpful for you. Once you share in the comments that you have a daily changing menu, we can share the link to that previous demo as well. So now, moving on, I will be showing you two things in this demo. One, I'll be showing you a store, a smart store, and what it looks like to your buyers, what all they can see in your smart store, and how they can place orders. And once you get their orders, how you can save them to the Chef Buddy app. Secondly, I will show you the very important part, like how you can create your own smart store. Well, let's get into it. And yeah, let's show you what a smart store looks like to your customers. So as you can see on your screens, Rita is a baker who has a WhatsApp food group with her customers. She has created a smart store on the Chef Buddy app, and in her WhatsApp group description, she's put the link to her smart store. This link, very interestingly, let me tell you, you can share on WhatsApp chat, on WhatsApp group description. If you have an Instagram page, you can put it on the bio. If you have a Facebook page, you can put it in the page description. Anywhere you put it, customers just have to click on the link to view your store, just the way you can see it right now on your screens. So, like you can see, the customers will be able to view your brand name, that is Rita's Cakery. Next, they'll be able to see the areas that you serve, that you cater to. In her case, it's MG Road. Then if you want to put, you can put a description about your business, what you specialize in or anything like that. Next, what are your store timings? From what time till what time in a day is your store open? Next is the mode of delivery, whether there's home delivery or whether the buyer has to come and pick up the food. Next is the mode of payment that you accept. It could be cash, online. The great thing is if you have a payment link, you can include that payment link in your store and customers can just click on that link to make the payment. Now the fun part. You can also put your menu there. You can put all your dishes there along with pictures. I will be showing you how to do that in just a while, but your customers can scroll down, see your menu, select the dish of their choice, select the quantity, and then once that's done, they can click on proceed to easily place their orders. Now, their orders come to you on WhatsApp chat this way. You'll see the order details. All you have to do is, with just a couple of clicks, you have to save their orders to the Chef Buddy app. You will see a blue colored link in their order message. You just need to click on that link. And this link opens up the Chef Buddy app, the buyer section of it to be precise. Select the customer you're saving this order for and click on proceed. And that's it. You can click on save and confirm order. And that's it. You've added their order. The great part is that no matter where your customer is seeing your link, it could be your WhatsApp chat, it could be Instagram bio or Facebook page. If the buyer is using the link to place the order, all orders will come on WhatsApp chat to you. It's all consolidated on chat. Now, we just saw how you can, what it looks like, what the store looks like to your buyers and how they can place their orders. The second most important part now you must be wondering is, how can I create my own store? Well, I will be showing you just that. So give me a moment till I share my screen and show you how you can create your own smart store. Like I said earlier, it's absolutely free to create the smart store. So I go on to the Chef Buddy app. I scroll down on the main screen. Here you can see the Smart Store section. You just need to click on Create Store. It asks for your business name or your brand name. Well, it's my brand. I'll call it Kritika's Cakery. I have a bakery, let's say. What locations do I serve in? You can put any location wherever you serve. You can put more than one location also. Additional notes about the store. Let's say I want to put that I make freshly made desserts and click on proceed. Next, it asks you for the delivery mode, whether home delivery is available or pickup. If there's pickup available, you'll have to put the store address as well. Next is the store timings. Let's say your store is open from 10 a.m. in the morning to 8 p.m. in the night. Next is the delivery note. Let's say there's a delivery charge, or you can simply say delivery charge extra and click on proceed. Next, it shows you cash or online, like what is the mode of payment you accept. If you select online, you also get an option to put a payment link if you have one. And the bottom section says additional payment notes. Let's say if you want to put in some notes here for the buyer, that your Google Pay number, Paytm number. Once you do that, you can click on proceed. Now comes the interesting part where you are asked to add the menu items. Now for me, I want to add all these items, so I can select it one by one, or I can just click on select all on the top. I've already added some items here, but at any time you want to add new items to the menu, you can click on the add now red colored button on top right. Once you've selected what items you want to include in the store, click on proceed. That's it. You just created your smart store in under 2 minutes, I think. So you can click on view store. And this is what it looks like to me. If I click on store preview, it will show you what the buyer will see. From their perspective, you'll be able to see, and it looks beautiful with all these images. In fact, if you see here, there are categories as well. My menu is divided into breads, cakes, cupcakes, etc. Going back, another interesting thing that you can do in your store is, let's say some item, some dish is temporarily unavailable. You can mark it out of stock. To do that, scroll down to your menu, click on edit items. Let's say my bread is over temporarily. Just click on the 3 dots next to the multigrain bread. Click on out of stock. Now go back. If you click on store preview again to see the buyer's side, you will see that the multigrain bread shows as sold out. The buyers will not be able to place orders for this. Now, once it's back in stock, all you have to do is go back to your menu, edit, go back to multigrain, 3 dots, and live. That's it. You can add more items anytime by clicking on the add items button below. That's how simple it is to create your own smart store. And another thing that I would like to mention here, let's say you are temporarily unavailable, you're going out for a few days. You can at any time pause your store by clicking on the pause store button here. And once you're back, once you're available and baking or cooking again, you can just click on activate store. What it does is, while your store is paused, customers will not be able to place orders. And once you're back, you can activate it anytime. Now, if you're wondering how do you add pictures or categories to your menu, well, this is where you can do it. You can see the edit menu item section on your screen. Just click on that. Here, I've already added some images to my menu. But if at any time you want to add or edit the image, the dish image, click on the 3 dots next to your dish. Click on the second option, that is the add/edit thumbnail image. And you can either take a photo or choose a picture from your phone gallery. That's it. Secondly, if you want to categorize your menu, you can just again click on the 3 dots, click on the third option, that's add or edit category. I've already made some categories here. You can add categories as per your, depending on what your menu is. Well, that's how easy it is to create your own smart stores. We hope you would have found this useful. And coming back, okay. So we hope you found this useful. I also want to tell you that if at any time you want to watch a tutorial video, you want to know how you can, you want to do a recall of how you can make your smart store. On the app, we have a tutorial section, and tutorials are available both in Hindi and in English. You can see how you can make your store and various other things that you can do on the Chef Buddy app. Now, let me see if we've got some questions from you. And yeah, just give me a moment till I do that. So do let me know, have you had the chance to use the Chef Buddy app, try out some features so far? Okay, we've been getting some comments here that it's quite easy to use. It's pretty handy. Good to know, Pratik. Thanks a lot. Okay. So, well, you can always leave any questions, any doubts that you have in the comments below, and our team will get back to you with a response. At any time you want to know more, you can go in the app and contact us section and let us know, get in touch with us. So thank you for joining us and have a great weekend. Now go download the Chef Buddy app if you haven't already and create your smart store now. Thank you.